Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It is Wednesday, the 23rd of July. This is your daily recap. It's been an overall quiet day here, but the market has just absolutely melted up. We had the Japan news overnight that they have an agreement, and right in here there was talk that there is a 15% deal for tariffs with the EU that's been somewhat denied and debunked, but then again pushed back on. And market doesn't care. And I think the most important thing here is this market just doesn't care. It doesn't give a crap about anything right now. It wants to continue to just grind up until it doesn't. Nothing wrong with that. But nothing is going to phase this market. This is good news. We're at a new all-time high. At some point, this market will come in. It will. It always does. Never think that it won't. But right now, it's just not here. We'll see what the earnings give us tonight. But overall, SPY, new all-time highs. We head into some big earnings tonight. So let's talk about it. The Qs have been lagging. There's some, selling pressure continues in the Qs. We saw that today in Microsoft ahead of Google reporting tonight, lost the 8-day for the first time and are going to close under for the second time here, basically since last earnings. Amazon's been stuck sideways. Google today is selling off a little bit after hitting a range high. Meta, nice little bounce. Remember, Meta and Google moved together. Apple gapped up and then crapped, coming off the lows a little bit. Just doesn't seem to want to move. Netflix remains extremely weak. Lost the 50-day on earnings and it just continues to come down here. Palantir, however, had a nice bounce, pushing back up here. Tesla going to earnings tonight, very, very sideways. The banks, strong move there. JP Morgan, new all-time highs. Goldman pushing back up. Bank of America, these were stealthy moves today. The IWM with a nice move here as well. Look at that little move back up. Bank of America went into that gap. Yeah, nice little moves on these. The semis, they're okay. The semis themselves holding in. Nvidia was all over the place today, then got a late day pop out of nowhere and just pushed up. Same thing with AMD, another one of those late day pops. They're both holding in. Hood remains overall weak. Coin all remains overall weak. And the market's just kind of hanging out there. It's waiting to see. Boeing, nice push today. Again, these tariff deals are great for Boeing because one of the easiest way these countries can make up and buy more and spend more in the United States is to buy planes. Um, we'll see. So we'll see what we get tonight. We got Tesla tonight, which I think is going to be a very difficult one. But then I really want to see what Google has to say, along with IBM, CMG, and ServiceNow. I won't trade, but very interested to see that. So with that said, I'll catch you guys live in the morning. I'm staying with you guys late tonight. We'll have the conference calls later, and we'll see what we're going to get. Everybody, I hope you had a great day. Nothing for me today. I didn't catch any of these moves. I wasn't around when things moved, and that's just sometimes how it goes.